Joe's Ancient Orange Mead, Jome, has a certain level of infamy amongst the mead maker community. It's not really a homebrew recipe, more of like a homemaker recipe. You don't really need any special ingredients or special techniques to make this mead. And it's very important to remember that the methods and techniques that you use while making a Jome, you don't transfer those methods and techniques into your other home brewing endeavors.
So we're going to be breaking a lot of mead making rules in this one.
Lots of mead making rules. We're not using proper nutrition. We're not getting gravity readings. We're just going to throw this together and let it go. All of the ingredients you'll need for Joe's Ancient Orange Mead can be bought at your local grocery store, Walmart or Kroger or H-E-B. Oranges, even the honey that you'll need, you can buy at your local grocery. For this recipe, you don't need to go to a special honey farm or buy the proper honey. Just buy whatever you can find at Walmart. The little teddy bears work just fine.
So let me guess. One rule we don't want to break is sanitation.
Never break the sanitation rule. Sanitation is the most important part of the home brewing hobby. So we're going to sanitize our carboy here. The recipe for this is simple. 3.5 pounds of honey, 1 whole orange, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 whole clove, and a large handful of raisins.
Wait, raisins?
Raisins.
Hey, we had this discussion. You said...
We had this discussion. Raisins are not nutrients. Say it with me. Raisins are not nutrients. No, try it again. Raisins are not nutrients. But as I said before, Joe's Ancient Orange Mead
breaks the rules.
Breaks the rules. There's no nutrition schedule. There's no hydrometer readings. It's a strange recipe, it really is. Do not take these methods and procedures into the rest of your home brewing hobby. And we're going to pitch a pack of bread yeast.
Go figure.
You got something to say? I knew you'd have something to say. You use bread yeast, Fleischmann's, for Ancient Orange Mead. And the process is so simple. Mix everything together, pitch yeast, install airlock, done.
Let's get started.
Let's do it. Okay. So, we're going to get our measuring device. We're going to place our sanitized carboy. Zero it out. Zero it out.
You gotta sanitize the orange?
Oh gosh, let's sanitize the orange. I don't think this is necessary, but you can never have too much sanitation, but you can have not enough. Let's let that sit for a moment, shall we? Okay, now we're gonna cut our orange into slices and shove it on in there. Now, the actual size of the orange slices is irrelevant, but you want to slice it small enough so you'll be able to get it out. Going in is easy. Getting out can be a pain. The smaller the better. Just cut it up into slices, shove it on in there, and you'll be good to go.
Hey, you know what? You should drink your mead. Let me get this part.
Okay. Now the entire orange is going in there. Peel, juice, flesh, everything. The whole orange.
Just dump it in.
Throw it in there, don't throw it at me.
Here, I'll let you do this. I'm gonna throw it in.
The final product is going to be very, very sweet. But the bitterness from the orange pith will counteract that. And it'll be both bitter and sweet. And it'll be good. And there we go. We have our oranges. We have our honey. We're going to put some water in there. And we're going to shake, shake, shake.
Where are we filling it up to?
Just fill it up to like right here. And shake it to mix it. And fill it a little more. Shake it to mix it. Get a good mix. Let's go ahead and add our raisins. You're going to add a large handful of raisins. You want each raisin to be cut up into eighths. That's about a large handful. So go ahead. You got to cut each one into eighths. He's actually gonna do that. No, just.
I'm about to say no.
Just cut into them somehow. Just freaking. You're so gullible. Oh my gosh! Look, just grab him and go. It smells kind of like figgy pudding. You ever had figgy pudding?
Is that a finger?
Okay, good enough. And we're gonna cram those in there.
Make sure you make them in the bottle.
I'll try. Now remember, raisins are not nutrients. But this is Joe's Ancient Orange Mead. And when you're making a Joan, it's okay to break all the rules.
Jam.
The only rule you don't break is sanitation. Oh, that really is easier than a 5-gallon batch.
Mm-hmm. Ready for the cinnamon? Do we do anything with this?
Yeah, we can put the cinnamon in there.
Here, you got sanitized hands.
1 cinnamon stick, toss it in, and also 1 clove. Bloop. Okay, let's add some more water, and let's top it up to about right jaw, you know. And before we pitch our yeast, we're gonna let all that calm down. Post care with Joe's Ancient Orange Mead is nothing.
Let it sit in the room.
You pitch your yeast, install a bung and airlock, and do nothing. Don't shake it, don't swirl it, don't add any nutrient additions. All these oranges are floating on top. Eventually, they'll sink to the bottom. It takes a couple of months. When all those oranges sink to the bottom, it's ready to bottle. Just grab your racking cane and bottle it. The easiest mead you'll ever make.
I'd say so. Nice and sanitized.
Just finishing sanitizing everything.
I want to go ahead and pitch the yeast.
Yeah, go ahead and put the yeast in there.
I need scissors.
We might give it a bit of a swirly once the yeast is in there, just to get it all mixed up. Yeah, let's see if we can get a bit of a...
You agitate it?
Give it some agitation. And now the yeast is going down and just see little yeasts everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna add some sanitizer to the airlock.
Yeah, go ahead and put the bung, and we can put the airlock. And our thing. Fill it with sanitizer. Put the bug stopper, and we're good to go.
And I'm done.
Don't do anything else with this. Don't shake it, don't stir it, don't add any nutrients. Set this up in your closet and forget about it. In about 2 or 3 months, all these oranges will sink to the bottom and the mead will clear. It'll go crystal clear, and then it'll be ready tomorrow. Now I feel like I'm sounding like a broken record here, but I'm going to say this one more time. The methods and procedures in this recipe are not best practices. The stuff you see here, only use when you're making a Joe's Ancient Orange Mead. Jome. Follow good practices in your other recipes. Thank you for watching Mead with Eric and Derek. We hope you have as much fun watching us as we have making this.
Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell so you're notified each time we upload.
And join the Discord, where more than 1,000 mead makers are always there to help you make better mead. Everything we talked about today is available for More Beer. Now, we are affiliated with More Beer. We may make a small commission on sales at no extra cost to you. It helps support the channel and helps us bring more content to you.
Links are in the description down below.
See you next time.